Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 2, morning shift and day shift. How are you, boys and girls? I hope that all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online classes NIEVS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Let's see our today's topic. It is Unit 9 from your buzzword book, reading word meaning plus synonym antonym. Look at board properly. I am telling again, our today's topic is Unit 9 from our buzzword book. Okay, this book is called the Success with Buzzword Communicative Book. Okay, Unit 9, reading word meaning and synonym antonym. So let me show you the page from our unit 9. It is the coconut. Title is the coconut, very interesting. Okay, dear students, it is seen that most of us, or if I say all of us, like the coconut. We like coconut, the sweet drink of coconut and the flashy part of it also. So let's read the text at first, as it is an interesting one, so we will enjoy this class. Let's start. The Coconut, Unit 9. Anush and Ravi sat on the steps in front of their house. Okay, I am telling you the page number so that you can get it properly. Page number 95 of your book. Page number 95. Okay, look, page number 95 of your book. Just I have photocopied it. Okay, 95. Anush and Ravi sat on the steps in front of their house. So look at the picture. Okay, look at the picture. In your book you will get the colorful picture. Here the black and white picture, no problem. Anush and Ravi sat on the steps in front of their house near the beach. They were cleaning some pebbles. What? Some pebbles. Pebbles means here some small smooth stones that they had found on the beach. In the picture you will see it. Suddenly they heard a loud sound, thud. Look at the loud sound. Okay? They heard a loud sound, thud. They looked up to see what it was. A large green coconut had fallen from the tree near their house. Okay, if you see the picture number 2, okay, you will see the green coconut. Next, Ravi looked at the green coconut. Said Anush, "Why is it so heavy?" asked Ravi, lifting it up. So, dear learners, I want to show you a picture. This is our picture number 2. Colorful picture in your book, page number 95. It is filled with water inside, said Anush with a smile. The water is very sweet to drink. I have already told you, the water of green coconut is very sweet to drink. We like or we love drinking the water of sweet, okay, drinking water. So look, next, let's ask grandma to help us, said Ravi. Ravi and Anush carried the coconut into the house to their grandmother. They gave her the coconut and told her, "Please, could you break open this coconut for us, grandma?" Okay, in the next picture, in the next page, picture number 30, you will see the picture. We want to drink the sweet water inside. Where did you get this young coconut? She asked Anush. Okay, dear students, we will go to next page, page number 96, to have the rest part of this passage. So look, picture number 30, page number 96. It fell from the tree while we were cleaning our pebbles. Okay, Anush and Ravi were telling her grandmother that they have got it during cleaning the pebbles. Anush replied. Grandma carefully cut off the top with a knife. So look at the sentence. Grandma carefully cut off the top with a knife. She poured the water into 2 glasses. The boys drank the sweet, cool, okay, look at cool water. It tastes very nice. The boys watched Grandma as she cut the coconut into 2 halves. Don't you want to taste the fleshy part of the coconut? Fleshy part. So look at the last picture, picture number 4. You will see the fleshy part of the green coconut. Very tasty. Fleshy part of the green coconut. Look. We would love to. They cried. Is the coconut a fruit or a nut? Grandma asked Ravi. The coconut has a name like a nut and it looks like a fruit. But it is actually a seed. So it is a fruit, a nut and a seed. Last para. The boys were surprised. They decided to ask the same question in class the next day. They wanted to see how many of their friends knew what a coconut was. A fruit, a nut or a seed. So last word meaning is fleshy, here thick and soft. Now we will go to our another text. It is word meaning and synonym antonym segment. So dear students, so look at the handwritten portion. Here I have written class 2 subject English literature, word meaning, synonym, antonym, term, lecture 3 and homework number 3. So look at the title. It is word meaning. Only 2 word meanings are given in your book. One is pebbles. Pebbles means small smooth stones. Another one is flashy, thick and soft. Here thick and soft. And these 2 part, okay, this part will be your homework. Only 2 word meaning will be your homework. Okay, look at our another CW section. It is word synonym antonym and synonym and antonym. Sweet, it is sugary. Look here, SUGARY, sugary. Another one is sour. Young, fresh, old. Carefully, attentively. Look at the spelling carefully. 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 Don't make mistake. Attentively. 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 And antonym is carelessly. Look at the antonym. Carelessly. Care. CARELESSLY. Carelessly. Next, heavy. HEAVY. Heavy means weighty. Okay. Something is heavy. And light. Less weight like this one. Light. Okay. So here 4 synonym antonyms are given. Sweet, young, carefully, heavy. All of you will pick up this synonym, antonym and word meaning in your CW properly. Okay. Nobody will make mistake. And I am telling again, our homework is unit 9 word meaning. Only 2 word meaning. Pebbles and flashy. Pebbles means small smooth stones and flashy, here thick and soft. Only these 2 word meanings will be your homework. Very easy and small text. Dear students, I hope that you have understood the green coconut unit 9. Very interesting. We have learned here many things, and whenever we will feel cold, we will feel warm, we can drink the green coconut, drink sweet water and the flashy part also. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.